Hello guys, once again welcome to AIM tutorial. We are going to discuss how Atal Academy is going to provide free certificate using 5 days faculty development program, and you just go to the AICT India aict-india.org slash Atal, and just click on the website, and it will ask your credential. If you are not registered yet, then create your account. I have already created, so I am going to uh, sign in here. So you can go the sign up point, and what is going to here, it is going to have so many tools on the left hand side. Okay, so so on the left hand side it is going like general details. It is my personal profile, and it is profile where you are belongs to, workshop where I am going to apply here. So in the first 6 months or in the whole year, you can apply only 4 workshop, a maximum of 4 FDPs only. Once they are approved by the organizer might be IIT Bombay, organizer might be Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Engineering College, KLE Technology, and area means like University of BIT Tiruchirappalli. Veteran universities are there and colleges are there: NIT Silchar, Palakkad, Milken Technology, and NIT Mysore, Meghalaya, and so on. Okay, so once you will choose, means you can select your state, you can select month as well. And in the July only, we are having so many scheduled FDPs like artificial intelligence domain. Choose in your domain only your data science and your big data only. IT Kanpur also. The very much essential part of these workshops are that they are free of cost. You are not going to pay even a single penny in order to achieve these certificates. Now let's see how, once you will select, it will goes to applied certificates, applied workshops, and here I have applied for 4 workshops, and out of these 4 I have completed 3. So artificial intelligence, principle of artificial machine learning, deep learning, and biometric engineering, and computer vision, and so on. Okay, so once you will finish these workshops, it will show the attendance part, like in the in between June 21 June 25, what was my attendance status. It is present everywhere, and they are very much strict about the attendance itself. So make sure you are attending all these sessions very carefully. If you are not having patience, do not join these FDP. It's my humble request from the deepest part of my heart. And the second is like attendance for this third workshop, and so on. Now, feedback part. In the feedback part, we are having the thrust area of artificial intelligence, and what is the feedback you have input at the end of the workshops. And the coordinator of the relevant university, IIT Kanpur, IIT Bombay, and IIT Trichy, they are going to input your feedback from your own site using Google Form, using trainers, teachers, and so on. You can assign the every value, and so on. Worst resource person in faculty, you can choose the first person, you can choose the best second person, and so on. And next we are having important documents here. Means like, what is the document here from? So no document here, it's least important. Test marks, again very much important point. uh, After finishing this 5 days FDP, they are going to conduct a small test having 25 objective kind of questions. These multiple choice questions might be very much tricky, might be very much easy in the mediator level. So you can choose the question and you can opt the answer. Okay, once you have scored more than 60%, then only your certificate will be generated. Else, I am 100% sure that you won't be getting your certificate at all. Okay, So in the first FDP I scored 60%, in the second FDP I didn't score anything, and in the third FDP I scored 73.33 and so on, and in the fourth FDP I scored 80% around. So then only you are going to achieve your certificate. Eventually, once your approved workshop, your attendance is done, your feedback is successfully submitted by your at your end, your test is done by you, and let me tell you that you are not going to copy paste and Google, because they are giving the questions, those are hardly find out on your website on also. So here I am having the certificate. I have download the certificate in the format of PDF. They have assigned the certificate, and you can assign you can share the certificate, you can choose the certificate anywhere. Okay, so here is the certificate format, and by using the certificate number, it is very much justified. Okay, so by using this number Atal one, and I am copying this number in order to verify my certificate on Atal portal. On the home page they are having verify certificate code, and you just click on the verify your certificate and just check the, I think website is not working at this time, it very much easy, very much busy during, because so many partners and so many users are utilizes. So you just enter this code and get the certificate. And the second certificate I obtained that July 9. So again they are offering this if certificate is not generated by the at the end of coordinator or the admin part, it will give the message after submission of attendance marks by the coordinator and feedback by the participant, certificate will be approved by admin in 1 working day. Okay, so here the second certificate June 7 to June 11, and certificate downloaded successfully. And one more time I have obtained this certificate. Okay, in this way you can choose the Atal Academy in order to enhance your knowledge. Thank you.